It's teeny tiny tangle time. Now, this is a tangle that I've kind of switched how I do it. The tangle actually is called betweed, but the way I like to do it is I like to arch and curve the lines first and then fill in the space. Now, I'll be doing another video soon that shows another way to do this as well. But this is very tiny because this book is very small. Now, many of you asked me where I got this book. This book is so old. I don't even know. I think I started doing teeny tiny tangle time maybe in 2020. So that's a good question. But I love this tangle because what's really cool about the tangle itself is the minute you add shading, this is a perfect example of why I love shading. So again, I love to start with gratitude. Leave all the junk from the day somewhere else. This is all about you taking time out for you. We're not striving for any type of perfection because we're not perfect. This is, from my standpoint, about the journey to the end of the tangle, and the tangle's a bonus at the end. So make sure you're not biting the inside of your cheek, clenching your jaw, holding the pen too tight, pushing down too hard with the pen. And most of all, make sure you're not holding your breath. Make sure you breathe. And if you catch yourself doing these things, just take a moment to breathe or not bite the inside of your cheek. Now, the chances of you moving that stress to somewhere else is pretty good, but as long as you continue to tell yourself that you're resetting and you're on to what's happening, it will make a big difference in the long run. It's about just continuing to do it. So no judgment. Don't be hard on yourself. Enjoy what you're doing. Have fun. And don't worry about having a special book. Do it on envelopes of bills or whatever you have in recycling. Just enjoy the process and the taking out the time for you. But I'll show you here in this last part of the video, when you really move this tangle around, you can really see how it gets this rounded look to it. And I just love that. So to me, shading is like the magic. It's like the glitter. It's the shine on top of something. It's just what makes it look finished. Have a great day.